After installing kick-in-proof door hardware, start a simple routine of inspections to keep the upgrade effective. Check hinge and strike plate torque monthly by running a full hand inspection and using a screwdriver to tighten any loosened screws to a firm feel without stripping. Verify alignment by closing the door slowly and observing for rubbing or gaps. If the door binds, loosen the hinge pins slightly and realign before retightening each screw evenly so the frame and door seat squarely. Lubricate all moving parts every 6 months with a light graphite or silicone lubricant applied sparingly to hinges, latch mechanisms, and reinforced plate interfaces to reduce wear and prevent squeak, while avoiding oil-based products that attract grit. Examine all reinforcement plates and screws for bending, elongation of bolt holes, or rust. Replace any plate that shows deformation and upgrade to longer screws that penetrate into the framing studs by at least 2 1/2 inches when possible. Test deadbolts and multi-point locks by operating them several times and inspecting internal bolts for smooth travel. If you feel grinding or intermittent catching, remove the trim to inspect for debris or bent components and clean or replace as required. Keep a simple log of dates and actions taken so you can spot accelerating wear and plan replacements before a failure occurs. Common mistakes include relying on short screws that only bite into trim or jam rather than the structural studs, so retrofit hardware can still rip out under force. Fix this by replacing fasteners with screws that go at least 2 1/2 inches into framing and by checking screw length during each inspection. Another issue is overuse of oil lubricants that collect dust and gum up mechanisms. Switch to dry graphite or silicone and apply sparingly, then operate the lock to work the lubricant in. A third frequent problem is ignoring subtle alignment shifts after seasonal humidity changes, which cause doors to bind and put extra stress on reinforcement points. Make small hinge or strike adjustments immediately and retighten screws evenly so load is distributed rather than concentrated on a single fastener. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors who are looking for work and offer a discussion community where people share real maintenance tips and experiences. We help homeowners find contractors near them and let contractors expand their reach while joining conversations about practical security upgrades.